Minglabashi, put a calmaro, reading and writing collocation to popo to do can be teaching bono. Rosabai go sapaline. Over the last 10,000 years, there seem to have been two separate and conflicting building sentiments throughout the history of towns and cities. Roda who town cities the sentiments nepatate. Nakubo, no, new conflicting building, new she so what not two separate conflicting Yali, Nakushi is Rali Pyotare, Nakushi Bares Rali Pyotare. Blank is the desire to start again for a varieties of reasons. So Namyoshi de Lupioris or Dalia, the Muga or Lupioralim. Well, Isli Pares, so Chila Lushini, one Metalium. No? One is the desire to start again for a variety of reasons. An earthquake or a tidal wave may have demolished the settlement or fire destroy it or the new city plan a new political beginning. So, Piambima city, the towns, you Piambima at the Loda or no Lode Kama. Jesse Tualu, the earthquake to wave to Jamolo, Piasidware Hali, Milan Dalo, Piasidware Hali, Piambima settlement Pian Loda, no, Piambima Salo de Hanu, no, Erali Biotina, the new city plan a new political beginning. So, the Sajanima, Pabli Lude, Pabli Temeso, subject Eugene, subject a new city, singular, Rabali Teme. Doing, making, or telling me about Baba Yanchi means when she map to be she means so focuses and marks. The focuses a new political beginning Pimela, marks Pimela, so marks Pimela, so city at Sorehaga, new political beginning, a mata, a little matali pitable, no, so marks Vitetan. The other can be likened to the effect of a magnet. Established settlements attract people who plan to come whether or not there is any planning for their arrival. Okay, now the new blue layers are effect of magnet global no? So erali shimpyatari. Dihali settlements lady sa hope and Bima Sare Canada, Louis will attract local, no? The Lumu attract locally, Eddie Louika, who blank to come Lupiore. So now Ashima intentionally to come, Mapina compare to come, compare on no 10 believing so Lamkina Pusro, Babli Timmy. So 10 be telling it, not 10 to come. Labu no, whether or not there is any planning for their arrival. The clash between these two sentiments is evident in every established city. Blank, its development has been almost completely accidental or is lost in history. Rodina Kuye who Jama pit the clash Leon, and near Shida, city to cool established lodomus and near Shida. But luckily, my bartenders are since I'm a bonus or conjunction with him, unless ye, whenever ye, until ye, whereas ye. Until legal or until soon, I know my worry. A chain you piare, a Jang Yali Bame, or no so demand a chain of your Taramoso until you pay like me, whenever soon a chain of your antime, or a chain up at the dead Jang Yao of your Rabono, Dimajaro Hope, a Jang Yao of your so that Kajaro, Tinina, unless Petinine. The Danuro Shide, Dabi me let you new bono, so dilu people, no, the development go accidentally they have a loss in the history, the clash caro, the new two sentiments, Jama, she clash caro, pitare, city established lotane, pitare, Swami Pyotare, no. Incidentally, many settlements have been planned from the beginning, but for a variety of reasons, no settlement followed the plan. A good example is Caravan on the Clyde River in New South Wales, which was planned in the second half of the 19th century, in expectation that people would come to establish agriculture and a small port. So, Dihali Pure Hali would example City to city တစ်ခုနဲ့ example ပြထားတယ်ပေါ့နော်သူကိုဟို19th century မှာတဲ့ဘာလို့တလဲဆိုတော့လာပြီးမှလူတွေကဒီမှာပေါ့ agriculture အရာရော small pot ရောတီးဖို့အတွက်ပေါ့နော်ဟိုရည်ရွယ်ပြီးတဲ့အခါကျတော့သူတို့တွေကဘာလို့တလဲ which was every CTU which was so was ဆိုတဲ့ verb လေးရှိတယ် verb to be လေး was လေးရှိတယ်ဆိုတော့အနောက်မှာလိုက်ရမယ် verb ဒီသူကဟို past participle ဖြစ်မယ်ပေါ့နော်ဆိုတော့ကြည့်လိုက်လို့ရှင် past participle က killed နဲ့ surveyed ပဲရှိတယ်ဆိုတော့ city က killed နဲ့ဆိုရင်သက်ဆိုင်မှုဆိုတော့ surveyed လို့ survey ယူထားတယ်ပေါ့နော်ဒီမှာလာနေဆိုပြီးမှ survey ယူထားတယ်တဲ့ but no one came ဒါပေမဲ့တယောက်မှမလာကြဘူးဆိုတော့တေချာတယ်ဒါလေး survey ဖြစ်နေပေါ့နော် most country towns in New South Wales started with an original survey whose grid lines are still there today in the pattern of the original streets ဆိုရင်တော့အားလုံးဖြည့်ပြီးသွားပြီဖြည့်ပြီးသွားတော့ confirm လုပ်ပြီးမှ result လေးကြည့်ကြည့်မယ်ဖြည့်ထားတဲ့အဖြေလေးတွေအားလုံးမှန်တယ်